Hello mga ka-foodie! In today's video, let's make pear herbal tonic soup. This kind of soups will help soothe or cure your cough. Napaka-epektibo po ng soup na ito. After I wash and peel the pear, divide it into 4 or 6. Take out the seeds before you cut into 4 or 6. This is a white fungus or wild mushroom. And we have here fritillary bulb. So we need to clean the fritillary bulb and apricot kernel. And we have also honey dates. Just boil all the ingredients together and let it simmer for an hour. After an hour, now let's add on the white fungus and let it simmer for another 30 minutes or 20 minutes.